What is the relationship between norepinephrine and emotion? Norepinephrine is a catecholamine synthesized from dopamine by dopamine beta hydroxylase that acts as both a hormone and a neurotransmitter. It is found throughout the brain and is known to be a major contributor in the fight or flight response to internal and external stresses. As well as stress, norepinephrine has been shown to have a relationship with fear, lust, attraction, attachment, pain, anger, and emotional expression. When we get stressed, norepinephrine is projected from the locus ceruleus, the area of the brain that houses the highest density of norepinephrine producing neurons. These projections reach various areas of the brain, including the limbic system, which is our emotional control center. Stress not only triggers these projections, but increases the turnover of norepinephrine in the locus ceruleus. It increases the levels of extracellular norepinephrine in the hippocampus and induces the release of norepinephrine into the paraventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus, the bed nucleus of the stria terminalis, and the central nucleus of the amygdala. Norepinephrine also changes our perception bias of emotions. Increased levels of norepinephrine leads to a more positive perception bias, meaning we perceive other people to have more positive emotions. It's also a factor in mood disorders like depression and anxiety. It's been suggested that these disorders can be caused by a complete dysregulation of norepinephrine. The catecholamine theory suggests that a decrease in norepinephrine leads to a decrease in mood, and an increase in norepinephrine leads to an increase in mood. Regardless of the causation, treatment options have started to take norepinephrine into account. The development of SNRIs, selective norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, has shown to be very effective, and some studies have found it to be as effective as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. So what is the relationship between norepinephrine and emotion? Norepinephrine has shown a strong relationship with fear and stress through the fight or flight response, as well as an array of other emotions. It's shown to have a relationship with how we perceive emotional expression in others, and it has a clear relationship with mood disorders such as depression and anxiety, so much so that norepinephrine is now being targeted in antidepressants. There's still a lot of research to be done, but there's a clear relationship between norepinephrine and emotion.